Chakras. Chakras is absolutely separate program from the rest of the software. Actually, it's not even connected to this intersection of fingers. Chakras program has its own intersection of every fingers, and each chakra is connected to a specific zone of specific fingers that we have captured. So the deviation left to right on this picture is connected to the balance between the left and right hand. If one is dominating or another is dominating. So that's what you can see here. There are integral parameters like the average energy. So the energy is the size of these centers, energy centers. So the ideal is when they're all in line, and the alignment is how close all 7 are to this ideal state. Again, chakras are about repetition. In order to tell something to a person about psychological state, you have to repeat measurements as many times as possible in order to make more correct conclusions. Because our system is a dynamic system, it's not a static one. So it changes through the time. So in order to give some kind of interpretation of the general state, psychological state of the person, you have to have as many scans as possible. So then you can understand that some people, if you like measure them many times and different days, you can click compare and see where the chakras goes. Are they constantly in the normal green zone, or they going to the yellow and red zone? So then there's something to take care of. Which centers are less stable and which centers are more stable for this specific person. So, and I can show you an example. So if we look just on the energy field, so this tab, the tab name is energy field. So, and the emission, the visual content, well, we will not notice anything unusual. It's pretty normal, nothing special. But if we go and compare all of them, we will see, and go to the chakras, we will see this. So it means that this person is really unstable in her psychological state. Again, as I told you, repetition is the main thing. If we will do only one test, we will never find this out by looking at one scan. It was 93% alignment, pretty good, pretty fine. But by repeating it, we can see how unstable this person is. So it means there's something to take care of and something to change in the life in order to trend towards health.